Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send large video files on Discord. Have you ever tried sending a video on Discord only to see the messages that the file is too large? The platform has a size limit for uploads, usually around 10 MB for regular users, which can make sharing longer clips a bit frustrating. One simple workaround I often use is uploading the video somewhere else first and then sharing the link. For example, you can open a site like Mgore and create a new post. Upload a video there and wait for it to finish processing. Once it's ready, copy the link to the uploaded clip, then jump back into Discord, paste the link into the chat, and send it. Discord will usually generate a preview so people can watch the video directly in the conversation. It's a quick way to share larger files without needing Nitro, and it keeps the process simple when you just want others to see the clip right away. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.